Kuduzambala. Namaste. Good morning to all respected viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga session, Embassy of India, Timpu. I'm yoga teacher here, KVSSN Murthy. So today I would like to recite again that Navagraha astrology sloka from Indian culture, that Om Adithyaya Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha Guru Sukra Semibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. As today is Friday, ruling planet is Venus. For the Venus also we have very good sloka called Himakunda Mrunalabham Daityanam Parama Gurum Sarva Sastra Pravaktaram Bhargavam Pranamamyaham. So with this thing, then again I'll restart our Ayurveda workshop and Ayurveda cookery show regarding obesity. So today we have nearly 4 preparations. And so don't use these 4 preparations at a time if you want to take in your home. Like first preparation is with the jeera powder. So this jeera powder is available in every place. Take 1 full teaspoon of jeera powder. And after that mix with in the water, full glass of water. So for a model I took only half glass, but please take full glass. Then here try to soak it overnight. Then after that early morning, if you want to drink, try to like filter and take that plain water. But meanwhile don't throw that remaining sedimentation out, so you can use in your curry preparations, in your cookings. The second thing is again last week preparation ashwagandha. It's a very important like herb in the Indian Ayurveda. So take ashwagandha powder or ashwagandha capsule. Again try to just break it into pieces and right. Just add as it easily. So soak for at least 10 minutes time. Then this water turn as light brownish color. Then in this water try to add 1 or 2 honey drops and 1 or 2 ginger drops and take this preparation every day early morning. Then third preparation is we have today's wonder drug. Today's wonder drug is a Trikatu. So as we know that Tripala, Tripatra and this is Trikatu. This is a mixture of 3 important Indian Ayurveda herbs. One is black pepper, the second one is long pepper, like a long pepper fruit, then third one is ginger. So take this like 1 cup, just 1 cup. So this will not like a taste in sugar, but this will, katu means it's a bitter or sour taste. Take a simple 1 cup and add it in the 1 cup of water. Okay. If you have Tripala preparation, you can use Tripala also, but today I am using Trikatu. And try to mix it with the water, try to take early morning. Our next preparation, very important preparation. So as we know that this is curry leaf. Okay, generally we are using in our curries for like smell. It's a scented like what we call leaf for the especially gravy making and especially curry making. So take that half teaspoon and add it in the water. Then in this also, if you want add 1 or 2 lemon drops and 1 or 2 ginger drops, you can add, but full glass of water. You can drink it empty stomach. So try to use every like one preparation in a day. So don't mix 2 or 3 preparations in a day. And meanwhile, please remember, try to reduce your carbohydrate portion from the regular diets, as well as try to, if possible, try to avoid the bakery items at least for 15 to 20 days for a practical trial. And as we know that yesterday we saw this drinking of oil early morning. Instead of that, if you want to drink 1 or 2 teaspoons ghee with hot water every morning, early morning, that's also very good preparation for fat reduction as well as immunity also. So try to use any of these preparations. So we'll see more preparations also in coming future. So coming to the yoga workshop. So today's practices will be same like as our like sun salutations, right? Keep your body straight. Then come to the like sun salutations. First count inhalations, lift the arms, then very slowly bend. Then after that push your arms forward, lift the arms completely up and few seconds stay. 1 2 and 3. Then very slowly come back. Then after that, Pada Hastasana, standing forward, bending, completely bend the body forward. Then from there, push yourself inside towards the knees and stay 1, 2 and 3. Right leg is your back leg. Push your body forward and push your chin up and stay for a while. 1, 2, okay, 3, enough. Back leg straight, back leg should be on the toes. Forward leg slightly lift and join your forward leg to the back leg to the Dandasana. Few seconds stay here. From there, push your body forward, completely spread your body down. And after that, lift your chin completely up and lifted head cobra posture. Lift your chin from there. Mountain triangular posture, Parvatasana. And after that, right leg must be your forward leg, horse riding posture. Push your body forward and lift your chin up. Adjust your spine, adjust your hips for proper stretching. And after that, back leg straight, back leg to the forward, and lift your both the arms up with inhalation. With inhalation, then from there with completely exhalation, release and relaxation. Lift the arms completely up and wide the arms, rest and relaxations. Enough, come back. So coming to the next series. So today we'll see our like side compass posture, side Uttana Padasana, sitting variation. So try to sit in any comfortable posture. Then after that, try to wide your two legs. Then after that, fold your left leg inside. Then after that, fold your other leg straight, vertical fold. So your below leg is your left leg. So try to put your left hand under your left knee for just tilt the body to adjust. And lift your above right ankle, lift your leg up. And from here, if you want to pull the leg up, try to bend your left elbow, but don't put your left elbow on the floor. Then completely lift that leg up and stay as a posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then very slowly come back. Release and relaxations enough. Few seconds rest. Meanwhile, if you want to do your butterfly movement, just give butterfly stretches to the knees and the thighs and the pelvic. So our next exercise, the same thing on your opposite side. Stretch your legs forward for a while, rest. Then after that, wide your legs and fold your right leg inside and fold your left leg vertical. And after that, towards your below leg side, tilt your body by keeping your arm down. And try to adjust your above leg. Catch your above leg ankle from inside with the similar hand, same side hand. Then after that, lift your leg up. From there, push your body towards your leg. At the same time, pull the leg towards your head. And few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then very slowly come back, release, relaxations, enough, come back. Then few seconds rest, take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. Then few seconds come to the butterfly movement or relaxation practice for the knees and thighs. Take again long and slow inhalation and exhalation. And after that, we are seeing that next practices will be Upavista Kona Asana for again leg stretching. And try to wide your two legs side stretch. And after that, take a long pass. Open your right arm to the right side to check the balance, to check the like convenience. Then after that, second arm to the concerned leg side and few seconds stay. Alright, come back. After that, open your two hands towards the toes or even catch your legs. Try to keep your spine light slant. Lift your chin and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relaxations enough, come back. Alright, very slowly come back, release the posture and relaxation. This time for relaxation, you can go for your hip turns after folding your legs to the right side, to the left side, just go for your hip region relaxations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 relaxations, come back. Open your both the legs forward. Again, take a long, slow inhalation and exhalation. So again, today we are seeing our lotus posture, but lifted lotus variation also, Uttita Padmasana. Fold your right leg on the left thigh. Then after that, fold your left leg and check the convenience. Check your dress, check your mat. After that, try to add your left leg to right thigh and completely keep your both the legs squeezed inside. So this is what we know, lotus posture, but here we have cradle stance, lifted lotus posture on the hands support. Both the hands should come on the palms or on the fist or on the fingers. According to your convenience, you can choose any good support. Then after that, try to lift your thighs up for balance. 1 and 2, come back. So once you did this practice, then after that, lift your lotus up and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and enough. Relaxations, enough. Then slowly come back. Take again long and slow inhalation and exhalation. Then very slowly keep your legs wide and out your legs from the positions. Now take again long and slow inhalation and exhalation. So soon after that, lotus posture, lifted lotus posture, choose any convenient back bending. Fold your 2 legs. And after that, so I'm doing a simple Ustrasana first variation. Lock the hands on the head, especially forehead. Try to press your head back by pushing your abdomen forward. And few seconds stay. Keep your elbows completely wide and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 relaxations. Enough, come back. Then very slowly keep your both the hands down and take a long and slow inhalation and exhalation. Alright, now our next practices will be our Mahamudra Asana, the same Janusirasana variation. Again, wide your both the legs. This is also for leg stretching as well as for abdomen fitness also. So today's our exercise is related to our abdomen fitness and fat reductions, but try to use properly. Then wide your right leg to the right cross angle. Left leg fold. So here try to catch your toes, like right toes, with your 2 hands. Then completely bend the body forward. Try to touch your abdomen, chest towards the knee and stay for a while. And try to put your head completely down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relaxations. Then very slowly come back. Enough. Same exercise here, opposite side. And wide your leg, fold your right leg inside, adjust your dress, adjust your breath, check your convenience. In between the practices, take the long, deep inhalations and exhalations to cover your breath. Then after that, towards your open leg toes, touch your toes with your 1 hand or 2 hands. Then very slowly bend the body completely forward. So adjust your dress for proper, push your body towards the thighs and knees and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then relaxations, enough, come back. Then slowly keep your both the legs fold to the right side and to the left side. Just go for your knee turns and knee bends and relax your thighs, relax your hips. Then stretch your both the legs forward and take a long and slow inhalation and exhalation. Alright, similar practice. Today is our last physical exercise, Uttita Pada Asana. So same thing here. Fold your right leg on the left thigh. So this is Padma Pada Mottan Asana, or single leg lotus, the other leg lifting. So keep your second leg fold. Try to put your above folded leg sides hand behind the body for support. Lift your that above leg up and at a time lift your leg and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, and 3. If you have good balance, so try to lock your toes with your 2 hands to lift your leg up for a while. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relaxations, enough, come back. Then after that, open your legs. Then few seconds, rest your thighs, rest. Then same exercise, Padma Pada Mottanasana. Opposite side, fold your right leg on the left thigh. Second leg fold, adjust your body. Check your convenience first pre-position. Above folded leg sides, hand go back behind the body. Remaining leg completely up, rise. Then try to lift your leg up and stay. 1, 2, and 3, come back. Enough, relaxation. After that, try to adjust your body more. And same exercise without any support. Now lift that leg up and try to catch that leg. And throughout the practice, push and pull at a time towards the knee and towards the posture, and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relaxations, enough, come back. Then stretch your 2 legs. Alright, after finishing your practices, one Dandasana and few seconds take relaxation. Okay, now coming to the pranayama practices, fold your 2 legs, sit in any comfortable posture on any surface, on the mat or on the chair. So like yesterday we are doing the same exercise. One is Kapalabhati, the second one is Chandra Bhedana, then third one is Surya Bhedana. Keep your position straight and prepare your Kapalabhati. First 5 strokes, Kapalabhati starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then enough relaxation, one long pause. Then coming to Chandra Bhedana Pranayam, left inhalation and right exhalation, and start. Inhalation from the left and breathe out from the right. Again inhalation from the left, breathe out from the right. Third one, inhalation from the left and exhalation from the right. Right, keep your hand down. One long pause. Opposite side, same exercise. Surya Bhedana Pranayam, right inhalation and left exhalation. Right inhalation, left exhalation. Last count, right inhalation and left exhalation. Right, keep your hand down. So repeat the same pranayam practices according to your time, and try to do any kind of practices from today's schedule or our previous schedule in the evening also at your free time after finishing your office works and house works. So in this week, like Friday, today is our last class. Again we are meeting next week, next Monday at the same time, 8:30 Bhutan Standard Time. So till then, take care of yourself, and thanking for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for all.